With very few studs exposed, from a distance, this pickup truck doesn't look like Lego. That is how good this set is. Before we move on with the review, please consider subscribing to this channel. The pickup truck is a Lego Creator build set, number 10290. It is an 18 plus set, comes with 1,677 pieces, and was released in October 2021. In Australia, the pickup truck retails for $199.99. From the date Lego announced this set, I was attracted to it and keen to get my hands on it. This pickup truck reminds me of somewhat insignificant scenes from movies such as Cast Away with Tom Hanks, The Shawshank Redemption with Morgan Freeman, and The Karate Kid with Ralph Macchio. The build took just on 4 hours and starts with building the seasonal props of summer, autumn, winter and spring. Although quite simple builds, the Christmas wreath did take a bit of concentration to get right. It is quite solid once together, but quite fragile during the build. The collection of vegetables, flowers, the milk jug, sign and wheelbarrow are a nice addition to this set, and so long as the wreath is on the front of the truck and the Christmas gift on the front seat, all other seasonal parts fit in the back of the truck. There is a total of 11 stickers for this set, 2 for the doors, 1 for the dashboard, 1 for the rear vision mirror, 2 for the edge of the front windscreen, 1 for the milk jug, 2 for the flowers and vegetable sign, and 2 for the license plates. And take note, the license plate number is also the set number 10290. There are a number of movable or removable parts. The obvious parts are the steering wheel and the front wheels. In addition, the bonnet opens to display the engine, the back tray opens, the doors open and close with a solid feel, and the timber rails are removable. What is less obvious is the gear stick and the foot pedals, as well as the bench seat. I like how this seat was designed and the colouring used. Even though when in place the seat isn't able to move, it is built as a movable piece. There are only 2 printed pieces, and given the number of sticker elements, Lego could have easily done stickers for these as well, but they didn't. The first print element is for the front of the truck. It is a stepped, curved, flat tile with a V graphic and the number 8. The second printed piece is a nice bit of Lego marketing for the back of the tailgate. It's a single 2x4 flat tile with the word Lego in a font and style true to the era of the truck. The truck is a very compact build, and although it seems to be very well proportioned, it isn't an overly large set and will display nicely. I don't have any issues or complaints with this build. There are some great build techniques used, especially to get the build to a point where only 3 studs are exposed on each side, which actually adds character and is a great example of less is more. And there are 8 studs exposed on each side of the top of the roof. And when you look at the pieces used for the roof, Lego could have used pieces without studs, so this seems to be a very deliberate decision to have these studs exposed. Maybe this relates back to my opening statement. From a distance, this pickup truck doesn't look like Lego. That is how good this set is. From every angle, this is a really nice display piece, with or without the seasonal props, or with the bonnet up or closed. The most difficult decision you will have to make is how you're going to display it.